गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार। गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार एवरीवन।
Namaskar, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine, thank you, beta. Okay, so kids, what do you think? What are we going to do today? हमने last class में क्या किया था? Yes.
Chapter 3, Fun with Tuck Paint.
Yes, that is tuck paint. Very good. Fun with tuck paint. Yes, that is what we did in the last class. Yes. Okay, only 4 students. Okay, so these
Other
other students.
attendance is remaining.
What is remaining, beta? कौन आपकी प्रीवियस क्लास कौन सी थी?
SS.
Okay.
SS,
So,
ma'am.
okay, beta. So, ma'am is taking attendance, right? तो आपकी एसएस की क्लास खत्म नहीं हुई है अभी?
मैम वो मुझे पता नहीं है.
Okay. Okay, kids. So till then, let us revise the things that we did in the last class. So yes, very good, beta. That is, you are right. That in last class, that is in previous class, we started our new chapter, chapter 3, that is tuck paint. And in that, मैंने आपसे कुछ I showed some of the tools, uses of some tools like paint. Okay, then stem हमने किया था. We also did lines. Shape हमने किया था. That if we want to do a shape, अगर shape हमें करना है, so how to select a shape, then हम उसे rotate करते हैं. Rotate कैसे कर सकते हैं? So that is what we did in the last class. Also, I showed you fill. That fill अगर है, okay, if you want to fill any color into your picture, आपने कोई भी picture अगर draw किया है, and in that if you want to fill the color, so that you can do with the help of this tool. Okay, kids. So kids, our today's topic is mainly the magic tool. आपका जो ये वाला chapter है, that is the tuck paint. Fun with tuck paint. In that, major portion is this magic tool. That is, what is a magic tool and which are the features that, what are the features that magic tool gives us. तो आज हमारा मेन हम जो करेंगे that is magic tool. कुछ different types की उसमें बहुत सारी उसमें मैजिक टूल्स में वी हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. बहुत सारे, अगर आपको कोई इफेक्ट देनी है लाइक ड्रिफ्ट इफेक्ट, ब्रिक इफेक्ट, फोम इफेक्ट, wave effect, wavelet effect, so this all we can do with the help of this magic tool. Okay, so today we are going to do that. So let us start with that. Okay, so first of all मैं यहाँ पर अभी सिंपल सा I will draw a tree. Okay, tree and tree के साथ साथ मैं एक house करूँगी, so that उसमें जो break effect है that you can know how to do that. So if we want to draw a tree, तो सबसे पहले मुझे tree के लिए I need to draw its trunk, right? So that we can do with the help of this paint tool, and we will be selecting brown color as it is brown in color. So first go to paint in the tool, then from the selector, this is a selector कि हमें पेंट करना है, but what type of shape, what do we, हमें कौन सा shape और वो सब कुछ चाहिए. Okay, so this all things we can do. So I will select this क्योंकि मुझे अपने ब्रश की साइज कितनी चाहिए, पेंट करना है तो मुझे ब्रश की साइज चाहिए. So for that I will select this size. Okay, and then click on brown color, and we want our trunk to be of brown color. So, and then start painting. I will give a shape of trunk and then I will just color it. But अगर आपको draw, when you paint with your, if you paint, then you need to keep your left button pressed. आपको अपने माउस का जो लेफ्ट बटन होता है वो प्रेस करके रखना होगा. So this you can see that it looks like a trunk of a tree. Now I want leaves. Okay. So in हमारे पास इसमें in the selector paint में ही in the selector we have options for leaves. Okay. So what you can do is again paint in brushes, scroll your button, so that is your scroll, the mouse, and here this green color you can see this one. These are leaves. So by selecting the leaf option and when you just press it, it will give the effect of leaves. Okay. But as leaves are green color, so we need to first select green color. Yes, beta.
नहीं ये प्रैक्टिकली करती हूँ तो मैं किसमें जाऊँ?
Sorry, beta, I am not getting your voice. Yes, what?
मैम प्रैक्टिकली कर सकते हैं?
Yes, you can do. अगर आपके पास टच पेंट है, if you have touch paint in your computer, in your laptop, you can do this with me. आप कर सकते हो. So leaves are green in color. So first of all, from my color palette, I will select green color and then just click the left button. See, this is giving me the effect of leaves. But
Let me do this.
Yes. So dark colored leaves, and if you want light colored leaves, then we can also add light colored leaves.
Ma'am, but I do not have a text pen.
Okay.
मेरे कंप्यूटर में टेक्स्ट पेंट है नहीं.
बेटा आप लोगों के कंप्यूटर में टच पेंट नहीं होगा. और if you want to use touch paint, you need to download it. आपको उसे डाउनलोड करना होता है. ठीक है. If you want the link how to download, then I will share the link in the group. So from that, बेटा please everyone listen to me. अगर आप लोगों को टच पेंट अपने लैपटॉप में या कंप्यूटर में अगर आपको डाउनलोड करना है टच पेंट, तो मैं लिंक आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. So with the help of that link, you can download touch paint and then you can perform this. Okay.
Ma'am, but मैं अपने कंप्यूटर के कुछ भी डाउनलोड नहीं होता है. कुछ भी
त्वरित अमृतिया प्लीज.
अभी मोबाइल में हो सकता है डाउनलोड.
No. See, if you want to ask anything, write ma'am in the chat box. कोई ऐसे अपना माइक ऑन करके कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. Please. No बेटा, this cannot be installed in mobile. फोन में ये नहीं हो सकता. वो हमें जो versions देते हैं टच पेंट, that can be downloaded in laptops or computers only. You cannot download touch paint in your phone. फोन में नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so जिसने अभी ज्वाइन किया है बेटा, today we are going to do magic tools. Magic tool जो है that I am going to explain. But for that I need one tree and I need one house. Okay, house तो हम magic tool से ही कर लेंगे. But for that I needed a tree because as this is a scenery. So for that reason मैंने ये draw किया है. See, this can be done with the help of a paint. Okay, and then मैंने यहाँ पर अभी wait a minute Satya. And then I gave this effect of leaves. That is, leaves is also present in the selector of paint. Yes, Satya?
Ma'am, I have touch paint in my iPad.
Okay, so अगर आप चाहे तो आप मेरे साथ कर सकते हो.
What?
If you want, then you can draw, बेटा. Okay, Okay, so this is our tree. So now we will see magic tool. So if you want to open the magic tool, just click on magic tool and in the selectors we have so many options. Okay, मुझे एक हाउस ड्रॉ करना है, तो मुझे ये दिखाना है कि उसकी ब्रिक्स है. So I will go to the bricks effect. So click on bricks effect and it is selected, and then you need to select the color. That is, I want brown color brick. So then by clicking there, brown color की bricks आ जाएगी. Can you take it? Just click the left button.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how you can give effect of bricks. इस तरीके से आप bricks का effect दे सकते हो. Now I want one roof, triangle shaped roof. So for that I need to go into shape. I will select triangle and मुझे red color का चाहिए. So click red color from the color palette and just draw. ये हमने last class में किया था. And just draw the roof. मुझे इसे rotate नहीं करना. I want to keep it as it is. So I will just click left button of my mouse and my roof is done. Okay. मुझे यहाँ पर अब मुझे ग्रास करनी है. यहाँ पर I want to give effect of grass. So again magic tool. In magic tool see everything is there, but you need to search it. But they are in the selector. You can find all the effects in alphabetical order. So as I want grass, so it is G. So I will scroll till G comes, and here I have grass. So I will click on grass. फिर मुझे color choose करना है. What color I want? I want light green. And then just click and it will give me the effect of grass. Okay. So this is grass. Okay now everyone, so ये थोड़ी सा magic tools को हम कैसे use करते हैं that I showed. So now everyone please open your textbook, that is page number 26. अब आपके textbook में जो tools दिए हैं हमें magic tools, that we will see one by one. Okay. So this is page number 26, and on page number 26 this magic tool. This magic tool we are doing. Okay, so the first effect is drip effect. ड्रिप इफेक्ट में क्या होता है दैट जैसे कि कोई कहाँ कुछ पिघल के ऐसा ड्रॉप के फॉर्म के नीचे आ रहा हो. हु इज दिस? सो इन ड्रिप इफेक्ट अगर पेंट है फॉर एग्जांपल, तो कैसे वो ड्रॉप के फॉर्म में से नीचे आ रहा हो, उस टाइप का इफेक्ट हमें ड्रिप इफेक्ट से मिलेगा. Okay, so for drip effect, so it starts with D. So here we have drip.
Ma'am, which magic you used to make this tree?
What?
Ma'am, which magic you used to make this tree?
No, beta, this is not made by magic tool. If you want to draw the trunk, so for trunk you need paint option, that is paint tool. Then select the color from the color palette and then just draw it. So it will give you this effect like this. And जो leaves आपको draw करने हैं, leaves जो है they are already given. That is also in paint. So paint में आप scroll करेंगे, so in the selector you will find leaves जैसा कुछ होगा. Okay. Then just click on it and start clicking on about wherever you want your leaves to be. So by this you can draw. Okay, so drip effect. So here it is drip effect as you can see. So first click on drip and then the portion that you want that it to drip. For example, मुझे यहाँ पे drip दिखाना है कि यहाँ पे ऐसे नीचे कुछ गिर रहा हो वैसा from the roof. Okay, so whatever portion you want to drip, just single click left button. See, like this. So this will give you the effect of dripping. कि जैसे उसमें से कुछ गिर रहा हो. So this is by this is done by drip effect. So this is drip effect. Okay. Now I don't like this effect. मुझे ये जो हुआ अभी इफेक्ट वो मुझे पसंद नहीं है एंड मुझे उसका प्रीवियस वाला जो था वही करना है.
यहाँ पे हम ऐसे बॉक्स वाले वेव्स बनाएंगे.
जो वेव्स बनाए
हम वो कट कर लेंगे.
मिस्टी और माइक ऑफ. And Misty, this is not second standard. Okay, like the drip effect जो मैंने यहाँ पर अपने रूफ को दी है, I don't like it. So I want कि मेरा जो ये रूफ था वो as it is हो जाए. So मुझे अपने previous step पे वापस जाना है. So for that, what I have to click is undo. It is given as thumbs down. That is undo. That is in tool. So when I click on undo, वो मेरा मैंने जो भी स्टेप किए थे वो वापस चले जाएंगे. बट नाउ आई फील कि नहीं मुझे तो वही चाहिए था कि नहीं इससे ज्यादा तो वो अच्छा लग रहा था. सो आई कैन रीडू इट. सो अंडू के बाजू में इट इज वेरी नेक्स्ट टू द रीडू दैट इज थम्स अप. सो व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन रीडू इट विल ओके. तो जो हमने किया था वो वापस आ जाएगा. ओके. सो that I explained undo and redo tool. तो अभी हमने ये undo and redo tools किए and then we did drip effect. Sorry. After drip effect we have edges effect. Edges. Edge मतलब कि see if I say this is a book. This is my book. Okay. तो book और यहाँ पे जो ये उसकी edges है. Right. So in any of my drawing, if I want its edges to disappear, कि उसकी edges जो है वो चली जाए. Okay, मुझे सिर्फ edge ही दिखे, अंदर का portion मुझे ना दिखे. So for that, edges effect is useful. So and then say here only we have edges effect. So click on edge effect. And then यहाँ से भी आपको चाहिए that if you want that मुझे यहाँ से edge नहीं चाहिए. For example, I want this. So just click that portion wherever you want your edge effect to work. See. So here you can see the edges भी चली जाएगी. Whatever portion you click will be erased. And light edges you can see. Okay. So that is edge effect. Again showing. अगर आप अंदर से उसको हटाएंगे, okay, so when you remove from inside, edges will remain as it is. See, so this is edge effect. Okay, so whatever portion of color you want or whatever portion of drawing you want to be removed, that can be done with the help of edge effect. So, but this looks so bad. Okay, so we will undo our step. So by clicking on undo, हमने जो किया था, it will come back. Okay, so this is edge effect. Now after edge effect, we have foam effect. Foam मतलब कि जैसे कि bubbles होते हैं. Okay, जब हम soap को ऐसे rub करते हैं अपने hand पे, so the bubbles that come into our hand, the bubbles जो form होंगे, that are called foam. So if you want foam effect, अगर आपको कुछ ऐसे bubbles जैसा foam effect चाहिए, so for that we need foam effect. So here we have foam effect, F-O-A-M, foam. In the selector kit magic tool में जो भी selector में जितनी भी effects है, they all are arranged alphabetically. So foam, click on foam and then same. For example, अगर यहाँ पर मुझे यहाँ पर foam effect चाहिए, so I will skip my left button, click, press, and then will just move wherever I want foam effect. Okay, so this is foam effect. Bubbles जैसा लग रहा है. Can you see everyone? Please write yes or no in the chat box. ओके, हेनिल, सिर्फ हेनिल ही देख सकता है. व्हाट अबाउट अदर? Yes. What about others? Okay. Okay, everyone. So this is foam effect, right? It will give us the effect of bubbles. Bubbles जैसा हमें लगेगा. Yes, I will keep bubbles here so that कि आपको पता चले कि हमने कौन कौन से effect की. So that is bubble effect. After bubble effect, sorry, that is foam effect, we have rainbow and rainbow effect. Rainbow, जैसे कि रेनबो कैसा दिखता है, so you can also add rainbow to your picture. So for adding rainbow we have two options. One is कि एक आपको रियल रेनबो जैसा दिखेगा. When you see it, आपको रियल जो रेनबो होता है उसके जैसा दिखेगा. But if you don't want real rainbow, आपको सिर्फ कलर्स रेनबो जैसे चाहिए, like that 7 colors of rainbow. If you want that, so this is helpful. This effect is helpful. So for that we need to move towards R. So here we have two options, that is rainbow and real rainbow. ये हमें सिर्फ रेनबो जैसे कलर्स देगा and this will give us real rainbow. So click on rainbow and then just press the see. This will give us color of rainbow. तो 7 colors होते हैं, वो हमें कलर्स देगा सिर्फ. Can you see everyone? Rainbow effect. रेनबो इफेक्ट दिखी सबको? Yes, beta. Are you able to see rainbow effect? Yes, Swarit. Swarit, are you able to see rainbow effect? जो मुझे आंसर नहीं देगा उसकी एब्सेंट होगी आज. Whatever I ask, when you will not give any answer, I will put your absent. I will put your absent. तो मुझे क्यों आपको पनिशमेंट देने के लिए, मतलब when I speak that you will be I will put your absent. If you don't speak, then तो ऐसे करके मुझे बुलवाना है आप लोगों से. मैंने आपसे जब पूछा था कि are you able to hear my voice, और when I ask you anything, ये समझ में आया, then why don't you give answer? Everyone? Yes? क्यों मुझे बार बार 2 to 3 times I need to ask you कि आपको समझ में आए? At least you can't write yes or no in the chat box. Yes? And I'm asking Swarit to turn on mic and then to speak something, but still. So that is, this will give us colors of rainbows, and if we want real rainbow, so here we have real rainbow effect. So by clicking on real rainbow effect, then just draw wherever you want your rainbow to be, and then just release the mouse button. That is your left button, and then it will give you real rainbow. तो उससे आपको रियल रेनबो जो है वो मिल जाएगा. ओके, so that is real rainbow effect. Now we have noise effect. Noise effect on page number 29. Noise effect. I think आप noise effect आपको दिखेगी नहीं यहाँ पर due to light, but because वो effect बहुत ही light होती है in color, but still I will show you. Okay, so here we have noise effect. Noise effect. So when you click on noise effect, so by clicking on noise effect, then keep your left button pressed and then just move your cursor, that is move your mouse wherever you want. It is very light in color, so you won't be able to see the noise effect. It appears like multiple colors and dotted multiple colors. Okay, so you are able to see. Here I have done the noise effect. Okay, so here.
Ma'am, that is light grey.
Yes, light grey color. Yes, very good, beta. Yes, it is light grey color. Yes, so it will give us noise effect. Okay, so that is our noise effect. Okay. Okay. So after noise effect, now after noise effect we have smudge effect. Smudge means what? Smudge means that is mixing of two colors. Two colors को हम mix कर सकते हैं. We can mix two colors. Like I want to give effect of sky over here. So sky it can be light color, light blue and dark blue color, and some of the tint of orange we can see. Smudge effect में क्या होगा? That you can blend, you can mix two colors. Okay. So see, for that we need to first color the portion that you want to smudge. So हम light में जाएंगे and from line, okay, so पतली सी line हम draw करेंगे, that is of dark blue color. So just dark blue colored line. Okay, then light blue. So from our color palette here we can select any color. Then just, and I want some orange color. So I will draw 2 to 3 lines of orange color. Now again go to magic tool, and then from the selector you have to select smudge. So select smudge, here we have S, and just now blend them. Keep your mouse cursor. Yes.
Ma'am, we download the Touchscreen in laptop, tablet.
Yes, you can download. See here you can see that I am mixing this. Can you see?
Ma'am, tablet.
Yes, tablet में भी हो जाएगा बेटा.
Ma'am, which is this app?
TuxPaint. What? Okay. So wait a minute, beta. Wait. So see here you can see that I have mixed, I have smudged 2 to 3 colors. That is light blue, dark blue, and orange color. So जैसे कि how this effect is useful. जैसे कि अगर आपको sky करना है, okay. Then if you want to draw a river, अगर आपको river की effect देनी है. Mahi, please keep your mic off, beta. Okay. So if you want to give the effect of river अगर आपको draw करनी है, if you want to draw a sky, if you want to give effect of sky, okay, so that you can do by mixing these 2 colors, 2 to 3 colors. So that is smudge effect. Understood everyone? Did you understand smudge effect? So smudge effect is useful to mix 2 to 3 colors. Not only 2 to 3 colors, you can mix as many as colors you want, but it will mix them. Okay, so that is done by smudge effect. Okay, so that is smudge effect. Okay, now here someone was asking me, beta, this is TuxPaint that we are doing. TuxPaint, T-U-X, Tux, T-A-I-N-T, TuxPaint, and that you can download from your laptop. So वो laptop में भी आप कर सकते हैं and in your computer. This application is not available for your phone. Phone में आप TuxPaint download नहीं कर सकते. You will not be able to download TuxPaint into your phone. For that you need computer. Okay.
Tablet.
Yes, beta, tablet also can be done. Tablet पे भी हो जाएगा. Okay, kids, so this is it. Now I will explain the remaining two effects, that is last two effects on page number 13. That is
iPad उसमें डाउनलोड हो सकता है ना
हो
iPad में?
जाएगा. Yes, yes बेटा, हो जाएगा. Yes. Okay, see kids, now our last two effects, that are wave effect and waveless effect. Wave effect है and waveless effect है. So for that, जैसे कि आपको दिखाना हो, as it is given in your textbook, कि आपको वेव जैसा दिखाना है. Okay. See.
हेलो मैम.
You want to give? Yes बेटा.
मैम चेक बॉक्स में नाम लिखो ना, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
बेटा ये आपका एक चैप्टर ही है पूरा, मतलब कि आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करके नहीं बैठे हो. दिस मीन्स दैट
ओके
दिस इज योर चैप्टर नंबर 3 बेटा, चैप्टर 3. यू नीड टू ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक फॉर दिस. तो अगर आपको बीट ड्रॉ करना है एंड यू वांट टू गिव इफेक्ट ऑफ बीट एंड लाइक दिस, अगर आपको वेव ड्रॉ करनी है, तो फॉर दैट two effects are useful, that is wave and waveless. Okay, so see, so सबसे पहले तो हमें ये हटाना होगा यहाँ से, because I want to draw that. So what I have to do is, see, अगर आपको अपना ये पिक्चर सेव करना है, if you want to save it, then click on save. Okay. Now, but no, I don't want to save it. Rather, I want new canvas for my new drawing. So I will go to new. So I will click on new. So then blank. And then click on open. But before that it will ask me कि जो previous drawing अभी हमने किया, that I want to save or I don't want to save it. So no, I don't want to save it. So I will just say no, don't bother saving, and then click on that. So we have new canvas. Okay. So now if I want to give, if I want to draw a bit, मुझे बीट ड्रॉ करना है. So first of all I will go to paint and एक border में draw करूँगी with the help of a black color. Okay, like this. Okay, so this side is water and this side is my beach. तो पहले हम इसे फील करेंगे. We will first feel this like beach color, but in the color palette you can see कि beach के जो sand जैसा color नहीं है. Okay, so for that I will go to my color palette and then from this I need to select the color of sand. Sand जिस तरीके की दिखती है, so we can say like थोड़ी सी ऐसी होती है sand. So we'll just click on that and then fill it. So click on fill and then fill it. See, now this happened because यहाँ पर या तो फिर यहाँ पर कहीं पर मेरा थोड़ी सी empty space रह गई होगी, ठीक से draw नहीं हुआ होगा. So we need to draw it again. Okay, fill and we have to go, and then okay, so select it and then fill it. Okay. So this filled, it looks like a sand. Now water, this side water. So again यहाँ पर water के color जैसा color palette में नहीं है. So okay, we will be choosing this and then fill it. So this is water. Okay. Who is this? जिसने माइक ऑन किया है अपना? Please keep your mic off बेटा. प्रयाग बरासरा. बेटा tree leaves, if you want to do tree leaves, मैंने पहले भी कहा था, go into paint. पेंट में जाकर स्क्रॉल करो. स्क्रॉल करोगे तो इन द सिलेक्टर एक लीफ जैसा स्टिकर जैसा आपको दिखेगा. एंड देन क्लिक ऑन दैट. Okay, so now I want to give wave effect. So I will go to magic and then I will move towards wave. Here I have, see, wave and wave.
में इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं?
किसमें?
मोबाइल में।
बेटा मैंने कितनी बार कहा, ये आप फोन पे नहीं कर पाओगे, ये एप्लीकेशन फोन पे अवेलेबल नहीं है। ओके
मैम फोन पे हो गया।
बेटा वो दूसरा पेंट होगा, टच पेंट अवेलेबल नहीं है, वो दूसरा पेंट होगा। TUX टच, PAINT प्रॉपर जो ये टच पेंट है वो नहीं होगा। आपने जो किया होगा वो दूसरा एप्लीकेशन होगा। वो प्ले स्टोर में से नहीं होता है बेटा, प्ले स्टोर में से नहीं होता है। आई हैव ट्राइड बाय माई सेल्फ, मैंने खुद ही ट्राई किया है।
स्टोर में हो गया मेरा।
क्या?
इन एप्पल माई डन।
ओके, सो हाँ, सो इन दैट इट कैन बी डन। वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ, फॉर एंड्रॉइड फोन इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल। ओके, सो हियर वी हैव okay, so now wave effect. So see here you can see okay, that when I click it, so it is giving wave effect. So ये जो हमारे लाइन को जो wave effect मिलेगी, that will be in the horizontal manner. ऐसे horizontal wave effect मिलेगी. Can you see this? It looks just like a beach, right? So this is how you can give wave effect. So this is wave effect. Now wavelet effect, ये horizontal हुआ. Wavelet effect will give this like this vertical effect. Vertical waves होगी उसमें. Okay. So for that here we have to go. That is wavelet effect. Here we have, and by selecting it, see it is giving us vertical. It will give us vertical effect. Vertical waves देगा with the help of wavelet. So when you click on wave effect, if you want waves to be in horizontal manner, so it will be by wave effect. And अगर ऐसे vertical अगर आपको देना है, so it will be by wavelet effect. So this is it. Okay everyone. So by this we completed. बेटा ये किसने अभी अपना माइक वापस से ऑन किया है? Will put your absent because you don't listen to me. That is Prayag Barashara. Okay, so this is all about today's class work. So today we did magic tools. Magic tools की जो different effects है that we did today. Okay, and in next class we will discuss textbook exercise. So by this I completed explanation of fun with touch paint. Okay, so today we completed explanation, and in homework you have to do this. That is page number 31. B. Match the two lines to their names. This is your today's homework. That is, these names are given. That is, different names of the tools is given, and you have to match them with these pictures. This is tool items. So that is your today's homework. Okay, everyone. So this is it for today. Okay, so I will put your present. Okay, ma'am. Number 31. Page number.
Ma'am, what is page? Okay, ma'am.
Wait a minute, everyone. Okay, everyone. So this is all about today. अगर आप लोगों के पास टच पेंट है, अगर आपने इंस्टॉल कर लिया है, then try to paint something.
मैम,
अगर आपको कुछ ड्रॉ करना ना आए, बेटा see everyone. जब मैम कुछ बोल रहे हैं वो तो बीच में नहीं बोलते. That is bad manner. So try to do something in text paint. Okay. And अगर आपको उसमें कुछ इफेक्ट देनी हो और अगर आपको नहीं पता है, then in next class you can ask me. जब हम टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज डिस्कस करेंगे, that time you ask me that effect. that whatever if you have any doubt. Okay, so try to draw something in texting. Okay, so this is all about today everyone. So bye bye. Now it will be your recess. So bye kids. Have a nice